Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba, uba Preston Tunsong, uba Deiru Menteri uba Deipet ya katanat boarding, ha kesengi balang, ula kubur ba katanat token, kata ke Enforcement Directorate lane ED, kalapan kikot kisla naga Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, Henry ula ong ba umtep nakadaw yu baka ED kalapan kikot kisla. Wat lau ba Preston uklam keren syai, kikot kisla ki bayadei baka ke skim baka idi kalapan, hendai lala ban sotu baka kikot kisla, kidei halor ka jing pentrei kam ya ka skim I boarding, lani ka sobhagya skim bala pentrei kam ha Meghalaya. Ubak tensong ulay tu baka shiti na ka idi syaka MEECL, kilaya nadu ki kendiat benai balala. Ula ongru bala dep ban I lut ya baro kikot kisla kum balapan da ka idi.
First of all, I would like to clarify very clearly the newspaper carried by the Shillong Times. It was in fact totally wrong, baseless and illogical. I would like to request like this: be it print, be it electronic, I would request that at least before you go for printing, please verify nicely. Then you print it out. Because this kind of statement, which just, it just come out like that without any facts, which is totally baseless. I think, it will affect even the credibility of such newspapers. So I would like to clarify here that the statement carried by Shillong Times was not at all acceptable, and I would also request before they go for any printing, at least verify. Because see, last night, let me tell you one thing. In fact, some reporter from Shillong Times, they already even called CMD, and CMD has already clarified it. So the question of rate does not arise. There is no such rate, and no such seizure of documents from the office of MEECL. Sorry, see what happened. In fact, the official communication has taken place way back, I think in the month of October, November 2021. Yes, official communication was there between the Directorate of Enforcement with the office of the MEECL, where the ED office seeking clarification, seeking necessary documents, that was there. And not only that, the office of the MEECL, they furnish whatever required information needed by the ED over there. And then again, even just day before yesterday, few more clarifications, few more documents required, that also we submitted to the office of the ED. So the question of, as I said to you, the question of rate, the question of seizure does not arise at all. And let people also understand, because you need to know one thing: it is not a kind of criminal activities that has happened in MEECL. No such thing happened. But as I said to you, whatever, be it the inquiry committee headed by the retired judge, that time they seek information. Well, I think right now I'll not be able to detail everything, because see, when they want any documents, be it the tender documents, be it the tender agreement, be it the tender papers, whatever required, as sought by, we already furnished to the ED. So I cannot say right now what is the necessity for the ED to call on those documents, as I said to you, but we have done our job and we leave it to the ED.
Can't we just say that it's a routine procedure that was done?
Yeah, see, because I'm telling you now, we live in a modern world. Be it RTI, be it any agency, in case if they receive any complaint or anything, means they accordingly they will write a letter, they will send a communication to any department, to any concerned corporation or any concerned department, seeking the clarification as well as maybe going deeper, not only seeking the documentation, maybe they can study nicely, be it the CAG report, because that also includes part of the required information need by the ED. CAG report, according to CAG report, maybe this happen in the MCL. That also we furnish the information to them according to the requirement made by the ED office.
So with the delay of the government providing what was the findings in the inquiry
Yeah.
that was conducted, it's speculating more. It smells fishy. So that is why the delay, and how much time is it taking for the government to publish or make public this inquiry report?
Well, in fact, we are waiting from the government side, because see, the procedure is like this. The report is submitted to the government under the political department. Okay. Then from the department concerned, they study everything and ultimately they will send it to power department, which I think now very soon we are going to receive that documentation, recommendation or whatever made by the concerned inquiry committee. So I think very soon we will be able to receive it, because right now we are yet to receive in the department, in my department, in power department. So I'm very sure very soon we will receive this copy of the inquiry report.
So the hike in the prices of fuel has really affected.
That I don't know, because see, as I said to you, whatever required information relating to any documents, be it tender documents, be it tender agreement, and then be it this CAG report, whatever, that has been furnished to the office of the ED. So that has been done, and I don't know yet till now. So whether some more documents, some more papers required, that I really don't know yet. But this process has started right from 2021.